Hey guys, what is up? So now I've added extra wood to the fire, and now it looks even cooler. Look at that fire, guys. And you can do it with multiple